Hi, I'm Dr. Marilyn Schlitz, and with the generous support of the BIAL Foundation, we were able to conduct 3 formal experiments looking at the issue of replication in controversial science. In particular, looking at a paradigm developed by Daryl Bem, a psychologist, that took the classic priming experiment, looking at reaction time in mainstream psychology, and converted it into a precognition experiment. So instead of looking at pairs of word association and picture, we had them anticipate what they would be shown, whether the correlation would be congruent or incongruent. We did 3 formal studies involving an international collaboration of researchers looking at the experimenter effect and the role of beliefs. In the first study, we invited participants to collaborate with us in this experiment. So there were experimenters, and all of them were responsible for recruiting participants. In that study, we found that overall the results did not significantly replicate the original Bem precognition hypothesis. In the second study, we looked at whether we could prime the belief of the participants and the experimenters by giving them short passages or suggestions, pro and anti the psi hypothesis. And in that case, again, we did not confirm the replication, but saw a move in the direction toward the priming experiments. So when they were given a positive suggestion, they actually scored more positively than if they'd gotten the negative suggestion. In the third experiment, we looked again at belief system, but this time using the implicit associations task. So instead of A, asking people just what they believe, or B, trying to influence how they believe, this experiment was looking at their unconscious beliefs and looking to see if there would be a correlation. And in fact, while we didn't reproduce the psi experiment results, we did show that there was a significant correlation between the implicit beliefs of the participants and the outcome on the psi task, only in the reverse direction. So these were 3 formal studies. They did not support the precognition model, but did support the idea of looking more deeply at the role of expectations and beliefs in outcomes of psi experiments. And secondly, it really demonstrated the power of this kind of oppositional research where experimenters representing different belief systems, different orientations towards psi could collaborate in a meaningful way. And also to look at the possibility that there are ways in which these ideas of what we believe and what we hold to be true can be influenced or expressed at an unconscious level. And so we are very, very grateful to the BIAL Foundation for their support of this project. And in a word, BIAL is visionary. Thank you.